Hey, Rosemary, thank you for speaking with me earlier today and allowing me to send you this custom video. Today we're going to go over just a few things that you guys can apply right away that's going to help with your online presence and to get more of those organic leads. It is important to note that 70% of your organics is going to come from your website. So it is really important that it be properly optimized so you can capture that traffic. Now, as you can see, we are on your website and you have a very nice looking website. It looks like you have separate pages for each of your individual services. It looks like you serve a huge area, San Diego and Orange counties. So if that is the case, you're serving both counties, you're going to need an individual page for every city in those counties that have their own search volume for the services you're offering. So that's going to be really critical to add those pages if you don't already have them and to make sure they have their own unique content. It cannot be duplicated content. But having those pages will help you to be found throughout the county in each of those areas for the services you're offering. Okay. Looks like we have a little bit of content. Looks like an attempt at some local keywords. This would be an attempt at a national keyword because there's no location with it. Google unfortunately does not rank your website based on appearance. It's all based on content. So content is key and you need a lot of it. You need a lot more than your top competitors. You need a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on your homepage alone. And more if your competitors have more. That's going to be 100 to 150 words for every local buyer intent you're trying to rank for. A local buyer intent keyword are going to be the keywords people are actively searching for the services you offer. They may not know the name of your company, but they know the services that they need. And especially in emergency, they're going to be less likely to care what your company is. They're going to want to find the first person that they can get to their property when that emergency happens. So it's even more critical for you guys to be well optimized so you are the first person that they see. Google has robots called crawlers that index each of these pages, pulling the unique content looking for keywords so that they can rank you for those keywords, index you for the keywords and then rank you for them and put you in front of your customers. So it is very, very important that you work on your content and keyword strategy throughout your entire website. One of your top competitors in San Diego County is Abbott's. They have a decent looking website. They have the separate pages for each of their services. It is unclear at first glance if they have service area pages. They are going after the local buyer intent keywords throughout their website, so they are actually being found and able to be ranked for those keywords. They have a little bit of content interlinking throughout, which is good. So in order to beat these guys, you are definitely going to have more content than they do throughout your website. And you're going to need to have to focus on the proper keywords throughout your website as well. Adding those service area pages are going to be a huge help and will help you to be found in those communities for the services you're offering. The other side of that is search engine optimization. So this is Ahrefs, which helps us to analyze how your website is performing. As you can see, you've gotten a rating of a 10 out of 100 from Google's Trust Flow, which isn't great, but this rank is 100% based on your referring domains and backlinks. You have over 800 backlinks at a score of a 10, which tells us that some of these backlinks are either spammy, unrelated, or no follows. So not all backlinks are created equal. You do need to make sure you're getting high quality backlinks. You need more backlinks than your top competitors, not just in volume, but also in quality. You have been indexed for over 482 keywords, but a lot of these are coming from your blog, which actually doesn't convert into customers. And then you're getting about 193 people on your website on average per month. I would tend to believe that a lot of that has to do with the blog. I could be wrong, but that does look like what it appears to be. If we look at your competitor, they have a rating of a 19 with only 600 backlinks. So again, you need better quality backlinks and more backlinks than your competitor in each of your service areas. You have a lot of competitors in those areas. They've been indexed for over 340 keywords, and they're getting over 204 people to their website on average per month. So they're not much better off than you guys are. You guys are both missing out on significant traffic. The only difference is their content and keyword strategy. They're just ranking higher for the relative keywords. Whereas most of your ranking for keywords are on your brand, which are not the keywords people are searching for the services you offer. And your backlinks. So a backlink is when one website links to your website and drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. So the more relevant this website is to your services, the more authority and power Google is going to give you to help you to rank. But it's also important that you're linking these backlinks with your keywords so you can rank for those keywords and be found for those services in each of your service areas. And the last thing to mention is this Google Maps section or Google My Business page. For San Diego water damage, you are in the top 3, but it is important to be in the top 3 for each service area and your major keywords because 30% of people come straight to the maps and won't go anywhere else. So if you're not in this top 3, you're sending all those leads to your competition. There are several factors that come into play, but the most important are citations, which is the name of your business, your address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of places like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Facebook, Instagram, etc. So you need a lot more of those than your top competitors. And when you follow all of these tips I provided you today, your website can be #1 across Google for all of your relative keywords for your services and service areas. We hope that you have found this video to be helpful and that you will be able to apply these tips so you can start getting more of those organic leads. We ask you to please give us some feedback and let us know what you think of this video. Now, if you do need help getting any of this stuff done, go ahead and give us a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching and I look forward to hearing from you soon.